headshot from my red dot eye. Defended.
This shit gonna trend on TikTok. Watch. This is gonna be trending on TikTok.
Shot connect, body drop about the best life. With the kiss over left seat to them my phone, yes. Put them on my left and up the whole just. You get a headshot from my red dot eye. Defended, boy, defend that. And all in my talk, hell was in for. How to make me drag an Xbox with the pussy try on the limb drop from my red dot.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word YouTube? It's a boy Terry Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. Freshly created. Anyways, the song is called Red Dot by Kman 6ixx and it's uploaded on Wakadan YouTube channel. What one? Because so what go on, people. We know what type of time it is already. You see me I say. We don't know if it's a gun song, we don't know if it's a this song. We see say post 6 hours ago. I say, well, what? And it has to know what I do, what I'm not to do. Reaction time. You see me I say. So like out the video, drop a comment, drop a toss on the song, and let's get straight to it. You see me I say. Run through.
Yours truly, freshly created.
Repeat, broken. All units respond. Code 99. Deadly forces on.
Whoa. What's up with my quality? I don't play with the reaction boss now. I want a 480 pay. Let me get a 720. No, I'm gonna get a 1082. Blood clothes. Don't play with me right now. Don't play with me. Now start it over the right and proper way.
Yours truly, freshly created.
Repeat, broken. All units respond. Code 99. Deadly forces authorized.
What a bumbuckler. What's up, bro? Barkey, yeah, that's across the street, okay. Hold on, though. Nigga, I'm making a reaction video right now. Nigga, just text me the details. Text me the details. I'm making a reaction video. Text me the details. I'm in the middle of a video. I'm in the middle of a video. Just text me. Yeah. Alright, bro. Alright, let's go.
Headshot body back them. Well, I'm a killer the pay up me have a mad friend. Rifle bun boys can we love acting. Drive by hot car pull up and mash head. Go for them anyway, we go for them rat then. Got the M60 when him chopping for chop them. Now we make boy life dash way for dash way. I want do some pussy all actress. And anyway we go for them. Left or right for gain and not dirty jet dance. If we just walk down and bust him head. One talk on my rise up fucking hell. None of them never know. Anyway we go for them. Catch them on them pussy friend. Every shot they shot connect. Body drop about the best life. We take kiss over left seat to them my phone, yes. Put them on my left and met the whole just. You we get a headshot from my red dot eye. Defended.
Alright. We get it. Me not in the dog. You see me listen for years. Listen for years the things I'm want year in the dog. But listen me and say we get it to know my such man get shot in the made and take. Me not listen like I'm want. You understand? Go on!
We met the whole just. You we get a headshot from my red dot eye. Defended.
This shit gonna trend on TikTok. Watch. This is gonna be trending on TikTok.
Shot connect, body drop about the best life. We take kiss over left seat to them my phone, yes. Put them on my left and up the whole just. You get a headshot from my red dot eye. Defended, boy, defend that. And all in my talk, hell was in for. How to make me drag an Xbox with the pussy try on the limb drop from my red dot eye. Defended, boy, defend that. And all in my talk, hell was in for. How to make me drag an Xbox. Feel a step on the man's broad here. Left, right. And we not talk long, if your boy talk out, send a them swag down. If all of them not dead, war not done. One talk.
I say, for the war, nah done. Hold on, man, hold on, yo, me too calm with the reaction. I want to go for the reaction, boss. Me too calm. Me need to left, but hold on. Ready?
Left, right. And we not talk long, if your boy talk out, send a them swag down. If all of them not dead, war
not done.
One talk for we lift up all tall gun. What them want, better than how. Which part me no notice? Shot boy, but I want do shit mouth Joseph.
name Joseph. Walla, go on.
Me no notice shot boy, but I would do shit mouth Joseph. Them not evil like we are, them know this. You sing a song for your bed, ready know me. Yeah. And every one of them don't get a location, send for your long broom. Kill for them pussy hole, better make a room. I'ma kill them, they ready up, feel let loose. I'ma step like.
Who them are trying to make
Them they already up feel like loose, so step like.
And no matter how I talk about this stuff, cause the last Kman saga I react to, right? I don't remember which. No, the Kman and Barry must say I react to that. I never write the music video there because you know it's the Kman 6ixx music video dog always, you know, always shot, always different dog, and never it was too simple for me. I don't know. I like to come and video them a little like this and a bag of things that go on tonight. You hear me I say? Yeah, but that beside the part right now. We are trying to make that so I'll go on that video.
Better make a room, I'ma kill them, they already up feel like loose, I'ma step like.
Now I'm gonna lie, the man that will use and see that for every day, dog. Yeah, you have, with the music, dog, you have to think what you think the man will see for the video, dog, and go so boom. I show the video where you are running a dog. Instead, the man in the rap out there, the youth, one bag of edit me and say, go on. You know, go on.
Time for my champ on the men's. This me done, go face consequence. Hot car pull up boy, scale the fence. Kill boy, I with daily meds. Them not ready for the war thing, I baby them. I training rifle, lift up and aim for head. Now lazy, put them bad like crazy men. The little limbs in the ready for the flame. Headshot by the back then. Well, I'm a killer, the pep, me have a mad friend. Rifle button, boys can.
Headshot and body bag them. The whole I'm a killer them, duck to your point. Well, I'm a kill them, well.
Shot by the back then.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a killer, the pep, me have a mad friend. Rifle button, boys can well off acting. Drive by hot car, pull up and mash head. Go for them anyway, we go for them rotten. Got time 16 with them chopping, for chop them. And we make boy life dash with that.
Man, so with the M16 when him chop hands. Listen to that say.
Got time 16 with them chopping, for chop them. And we make boy
chop hands for chop them. Blood clot.
go for them rotten. Got time 16 with them chopping, for chop them. And we make boy life dash with. How I do some pussy hole actions. You will get a headshot from a red dot eye. Your friend dead boy, defend that. And all them attack hell was envy. How to make me drag an X-Bat. Sit the pussy try run a limb drop from a red dot eye. Your friend dead boy, defend that. And all them attack hell was envy. How to make me drag an X-Bat.
Alright. Statement, you make with the video dog. Statement here dog. You post it on Waka channel too now. I have a question. Kman 6ixx, is you I forget your password to every account you ever have. Me talk about Instagram and YouTube. Around 3 YouTube channels you have in a dog. And then me say I have around 10 Instagram accounts in a dog. Brother. But anyways, when you toss on the music video, when you toss on the song, drop down in the comment section. And I think me say the next song drop a while ago too. You know, so I go post cause right now I can't go nowhere to spin out the door. So you know what I do? I go make a reaction from now till tomorrow and post them like. So we're still in another video. Keep checking both the channels right now. But when I post I collab videos on both channels. But keep checking them because my job and you know they are gonna live on both channels. So we soon in another video though. Russian Boss sign out.